Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you or someone you know have a need for a pillow? Maybe you've had a procedure and you really just need to sit comfortably and to be able to not move too quickly, so you need a comfortable pillow to be able to sit with. This one from Zomaple does exactly that. This pillow is so thoughtfully designed for someone that might have had a procedure. It has ergonomically curved sides, so you can gently compress it up to your abdomen and feel nice and comfortable. As well, the fabric that's on it is really comfy and soft. And they even included a pocket so you can place your hands and keep them nice and cozy and warm as well. The outside pocket has space for a notepad or maybe your phone or even your TV remote. And the back has a pocket as well. They included a hot and cold pack so that you can enjoy extra comfort as needed from the pillow. The cover is completely washable and the inside has that beautiful soft stuffing that just makes this the coziest pillow ever. This would be perfect for someone that has had a procedure and needs a nice thoughtful gift, or if you yourself have a need for one, go for it because you will be able to sit so cozy and so comfortable with this pillow. But that's my point of view.